Hi, Martin again for Let's Talk About Wood. Today I'm going to test some detail sander in order to sand small space in a pocket when I'm doing CNC project. Here's a project that I did on my CNC which is having some mark at the bottom of it and inside of the pocket, and I don't like that. I don't want to finish my project like this, so I'm going to sand it. But when I'm using a big sander, it's not going inside. What do we do when this happens? I'll give you a tip in order to do the pocket with the CNC machine and reduce the sanding at the minimum. First of all, the tip is valid for whatever CNC you have, whatever software you're using, even though I'm going to show you pictures of Carbide Create, that's the software I'm using, but this tip is going to work with whatever software you're using. So you're using a ball bit, this is an Amana or SPE, whatever brand you want to use, and I'm going to tell him to do the pocket 3 millimeter wide by 2 millimeter down, and go from 0 to 7.8. I want to do 8 millimeter, but I'm going to do it from 0 to 7.8. I'm going to leave 0.2 millimeter. So it's going to do the job and it's going to leave some mark, okay, you can see. Now I do it again, same thing, same pocket, same whatever, with the same bit, but I'm going to tell him to go from 7.8 to 8, so only 0.2. 1 millimeter wide by whatever you want. I'm going to say 1 millimeter down, but whatever, it's going to do only 0.2. And I'm going faster. It's going to go and do its job. It's going to be a lot cleaner, a lot soft, but not perfect. There's some mark that require sanding. Now, in order to remove the mark, what you can do, first of all, the big 5 or 6 inch, that whatever you have for your other project, will fit over here, but not everywhere else. So that's too big for a lot of my project. By the way, talking about those detail sander can work also on, when you already know, on whatever project you're using that you need a small sander. I was using on a drill a 1 inch or 2 inch sanding stuff, but it's quite small, and sometimes it's require a lot of work in order to do the surface. So I also have now the 3 inch Milwaukee sander orbital, working really nicely for the dust over here, and also there's the thing to hook it on a regular shop vac. It's working perfectly. There's 4 speed on it and a light, so you see what you're doing. Same kind of sander, but with a specific form. No dust collector on it, but sanding properly. So let's sand this small rabbit and see the result. So here's the project after sanding, all clean up. This is how I'm cleaning up my project with my small detail sander. If you have any other sander, please talk about it into the comments. It will be appreciated. Also, if you have any other way of doing the pocket with the CNC, please give me the parameter. Put it also in the comments at the bottom of the video. If you appreciate what I'm doing, please a thumbs up. Don't join the channel, and maybe also you can become a member. I hope you appreciate it. Thank you.